Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hiking Outdoor Family channel. So we're in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania today, and we're up here to take our daughter to an event. We had a little bit of extra time and it's a beautiful fall day, so we thought we would check out Monocacy Park here in Bethlehem. We wanted to explore this park because there's a restored gristmill on the property. It has a beautiful stream running through it, and it also looks like it has a lot of nice stonework, stone pavilions, a stone bridge. It's a really pretty park, and I hope you enjoy seeing it.